Virgo. This is not a random moment. This video didn't just show up on your screen by chance. You've been sent a message, a spiritual signal, and if you're still watching right now, it means the universe is trying to get your full attention right now. A powerful energetic shift is unfolding between now and May 31st. And for Virgo, this is personal. You're being called to correct 5 karmic mistakes, 5 spiritual errors that have secretly blocked your luck, your alignment, and your abundance. If you don't, you may repeat the same painful patterns until 2033. Yes, that's how serious this is. But here's the good news. The universe isn't punishing you. It's giving you one last cosmic reset, a clean slate. And in the next 25 minutes, I'll show you the exact 5 things you must do before May 31st to unlock your divine timeline and finally turn your blocked energy into flowing luck. So if you've been feeling off lately, confused, stuck, frustrated, or unlucky, this is not your imagination. This is your spiritual upgrade moment, and it starts right now. Virgo. Right now, the universe is shifting, and not softly. The energy surrounding us at the end of May is bold, karmic, and completely unavoidable. This isn't just another phase. This is what spiritual masters call a karmic reflection window, a moment where the planets stop whispering and start shouting. Jupiter, the planet of abundance, expansion, and fate, is on the move. It's leaving behind old chapters, outdated belief systems, and stagnant energy fields. But here's the twist. Before it blesses you with forward momentum, it's demanding something first, a correction. And Mercury, your ruling planet, has just come out of a shadow zone. That means your thoughts, your words, and your intentions are now being replayed like a mirror. Everything you've ignored, every shortcut you took, every wish you buried in fear, it's all rising back to the surface. For Virgo specifically, this cosmic pressure feels like anxiety, overthinking, or even guilt. You may have asked yourself recently, why does it feel like my luck is blocked? Why are opportunities slipping through my fingers? Why am I working hard but not moving forward? It's not that you've failed, it's that the universe is pressing pause and showing you, this is where your energy broke alignment. This is the spot where fear overpowered faith. This is the exact moment where you stopped trusting your inner compass. And here's the most powerful part. This kind of cosmic mirror only shows up every 10 to 12 years. This is rare. And for many Virgos, it's the final chance to rewrite their energetic contracts before 2033. Think of it like this. You're standing in front of a spiritual gate. Behind it is your ideal timeline where money flows, love aligns, purpose awakens. But the key to opening that gate? It's not external. It's hidden in the 5 corrections we're going to talk about next. The universe isn't asking you to be perfect. It's asking you to wake up, to see what's been unseen, to realign your energy, not through hustle, but through conscious choice. Because once May ends, this cosmic opening will begin to close. And if you haven't responded by then, the path may seal, the loop may restart, and the luck you were waiting for might move on to someone else who was ready. So yes, this is urgent, but it's not meant to scare you. It's meant to empower you. The universe is not against you. It's testing you because you're closer than you think to your breakthrough, but only if you do the inner work now. Let's begin that work, starting with the first of 5 divine corrections. Virgo. Here's the truth that might hurt a little, but also set your soul free. You didn't lose your luck. You blocked it. It didn't vanish. It didn't skip you. It didn't disappear into the universe. It showed up. It knocked on your door. And then you hesitated. That job offer you didn't apply for. That message you never sent? That moment when your intuition said, go, and your mind said, what if I fail? That was it. Your luck tried to meet you, but you told it, not yet. I'm not ready. I need to fix more things first. You see, Virgo, your biggest strength is also your biggest trap, perfection. You want everything in alignment before you act. The plan, the timing, the budget, the vision board. But the universe doesn't reward perfection. It rewards movement. The spiritual law is this: action opens portals. Overthinking closes them. And for so many Virgos, you've mistaken preparation for progress. You've waited for the stars to align when the truth is, they were aligned, but you didn't trust yourself to move. This is the hidden mistake the universe is showing you right now. You asked for miracles and then demanded they arrive on your terms. But luck isn't linear. It doesn't care if the floor is clean and your checklist is color-coded. It cares about your alignment. It listens for your vibration. And when your energy says, I'm ready even if I'm scared, the universe rushes in to meet you. But when your energy says, I'll wait until I feel 100% confident, perfect and certain, the doors remain shut. You've created delays, not because you're not worthy, but because you've been trying to control divine timing with logic. And that's not how miracles work. So now, the universe is asking you to see it, to name it, to say, yes, I blocked my own blessings. Yes, I made fear-based decisions. Yes, I delayed my own destiny. Not to shame yourself, but to reclaim your power, because once you admit the truth, you take back control of the script. The real Virgo power is in your ability to recalibrate, to learn the lesson fast, to shift. And right now, you're being asked to do exactly that. The portal is still open, but only for a short time. And in the next part of this video, I'll give you the first of 5 specific things the universe needs you to do. To reopen the door you closed, to call your luck back home, and to step into alignment before May 31st, because the future is watching and it's waiting on your choice. Virgo, you've carried the weight of your past like a backpack full of bricks. Every time something doesn't go your way, you silently ask yourself, was it my fault? Did I mess this up again? Is the universe punishing me? But here's the truth, the universe wants you to hear right now. You're not being punished, you're being purified. You've made mistakes. Yes, you've hesitated. You've doubted yourself. You've missed divine timing. But holding on to guilt is like putting up a wall between you and your blessings. And the universe can't deliver what your energy is pushing away. Guilt is one of the lowest vibrations you can carry, and luck cannot land in a low frequency. You're not blocked by fate, you're blocked by your own emotional gravity. Today, you are being asked, no, invited, to let it go, to say it with your whole soul, I forgive myself. I release what I cannot change. I reset my timeline, starting today. Because forgiveness isn't weakness, it's energetic liberation. And once you free yourself, your luck can finally find you again. Virgo, your environment is a mirror of your mind. And right now, it's time to clean both. The universe is sending a clear signal. Clear the space, and I'll send the blessing. Start simple. Clean your room. Donate those clothes you haven't touched in years. Delete the messages from people who never supported your growth. Unfollow the energy-draining voices on your feed, because clutter isn't just physical, it's emotional, it's digital, it's spiritual. Every dusty corner, every messy drawer, every emotional attachment to the past. It's holding on to old energy, but when you clear space, something powerful happens. The air feels lighter, your thoughts feel cleaner, your energy begins to rise. This is why monks clean their spaces every day, because a clean space invites clean energy. So Virgo, as you prepare to shift your fate before May 31st, do this. I release all stagnant energy. I make space for miracles. I make space for my next chapter. Clean it all, let it go, and you'll be shocked how fast luck rushes in. Virgo, you've been quiet for too long. You journal, you visualize, you plan everything perfectly. But the universe hasn't heard you claim it out loud. And here's the law of manifestation that most people forget. If your voice can't speak it, your energy can't claim it. Speaking is a vibrational act. It sends sound waves into the quantum field, and right now, the universe is listening. But you've been silent. Stop whispering your dreams only to your notebook. Stop hiding your desires behind polite conversations. Stand up, look in the mirror, and say it like you mean it. I claim my divine path. My success is non-negotiable. I am ready and I am worthy. Because your voice is a spell. And when Virgo speaks with confidence, the world moves. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait to feel ready. Say it now. And the energy will begin to shift in your favour before the words are even finished leaving your lips. Virgo, you're independent. Sometimes too independent. You've tried to do it all on your own. You carry the weight. You fix things for others. You stay quiet about your own needs. But the universe didn't design you to rise alone. There is someone in your life right now who's spiritually aligned with your next chapter. A mentor, a healer, a friend, a voice that encourages your evolution. This is your sign to reach out, to speak, to ask, to open the door. One conversation can open 1,000 portals. Your alignment doesn't always come from within. Sometimes it comes through connection, because people are messengers too. And when you connect with someone whose vibration matches your soul, your frequency doubles in strength. So pick up your phone, message the person who inspires you, call the friend who believes in your greatness. Say, I'm ready, let's talk. The universe loves bold moves, and this move might change everything. The universe responds to intention, especially when it's ritualized. Before May 31st, you must perform a small sacred act to anchor your new energy. Here's what to do. Place a coin in your left shoe. This symbolizes walking into wealth. Light a green candle, the color of prosperity, heart energy, and fresh beginnings. On a small piece of paper, write your full name with one powerful word: abundance. Hold the paper to your heart and say this aloud. I walk into alignment. I unlock my divine fortune. I am ready to receive. Then place that paper under your pillow. And every night until May 31st, sleep with the vibration of abundance beneath your dreams. This is not superstition. This is symbolism. And the subconscious mind works through symbols. When you show the universe you're serious, not just in thought but in ritual, it answers loudly. This is your energetic contract with the divine. Keep it sacred and watch what happens next. Virgo. Let's talk honestly for a moment, because while this video has been about guidance, clarity, and empowerment, we also need to face the truth of what happens if you walk away from this moment without acting. If you ignore this divine warning, if you let May 31st pass without taking these 5 spiritual steps, the path doesn't disappear, but it closes for now. And here's what you may experience. You'll continue to second-guess your intuition. You'll feel flashes of inspiration, followed by confusion, doubt, and inaction. You'll see others step into their flow, while you feel stuck in a cycle of almosts and what-ifs. You'll look back at this video and think, why didn't I act when I had the chance? Because, Virgo, this isn't fear. This is the cosmic pattern. This is how the universe works. It tests, it teaches, it waits, but it doesn't wait forever. The next window, this powerful, may not open again until 2033. That means 8 years of repeating emotional loops, attracting the same kind of relationships, working twice as hard for half the reward. All because the energetic reset that was gifted to you was left unanswered. And we're not saying this to scare you. We're saying it because your future self is watching. Your higher self is whispering, please don't ignore this. Please take the steps. Please Choose alignment now. Because here's the deeper truth. The longer you delay alignment, the heavier life feels. The further you drift from your soul path, the louder the discomfort becomes. You are not being punished. You are being warned and given one last chance to realign. So take it seriously. Honor the message. Trust that this video didn't reach you randomly. It was sent through divine timing because your destiny is time sensitive. And in the next section, we'll talk about what happens if you do step into alignment. Because yes, Virgo, the test is heavy, but the reward is greater. But Virgo, let's talk about what happens if you do say yes. If you take these 5 sacred steps before May 31st, if you forgive yourself, if you clean your space, if you speak your truth, if you connect with your tribe, if you perform your ritual with full heart and full intention, you don't just make a shift, you reset your entire destiny, you release the energetic anchors that have kept you stuck, you dissolve the patterns that blocked your blessings, you finally come back into alignment with your highest timeline. And when that alignment clicks in, the universe responds fast. You'll start seeing signs, repeating numbers, messages in dreams, sudden clarity, synchronicities that seem like magic, but are actually your vibration attracting exactly what you've been waiting for. The money you've been struggling to manifest, it starts to flow. The confusion you've been drowning in clears like fog in the morning sun. The opportunities that once ghosted you, they find their way back because you are now energetically visible. The universe doesn't reward perfection, it rewards alignment. And by doing these 5 things, you're not just adjusting your mindset, you're broadcasting a new signal to the universe. I am ready, I am worthy, I am on the path now. And the universe listens, it always listens. So Virgo, this is your divine correction moment, your cosmic window, your reset button. Grab it, own it, claim it. With your voice, your action, your soul. Because what's waiting for you on the other side of this shift is bigger than you've ever imagined. Peace, prosperity, alignment, and a future that finally feels like home. Virgo, if this message stirred something inside you, if even one part of your soul whispered, "This was for me," then don't leave this page without taking action. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell. Because June is not a normal month. Breakthroughs are coming, karmic shifts are unfolding, and massive soul upgrades are about to hit every sign, especially yours, and I'll be here to guide you through every single one. Comment challenge. Comment below 11 times, yes, 11. I reset my timeline, I claim my divine luck. Why 11 times? Because repetition creates vibration, and vibration creates manifestation. Let your words echo through the universe. Let the divine hear your commitment. Share this video. Someone you love, another Virgo, might be walking right into the same old karmic loop, and they won't even know it until it's too late. Don't keep this message to yourself. Send it to them. Be the lifeline they didn't know they needed. Be the sign they were praying for. Watch this next. Virgo, these 5 millionaire numbers for June. Don't ignore the codes the universe is sending you. Because once you fix the past, the future opens up like magic. Your reset has already begun. Now show the universe you're serious. It's watching and it's ready to respond.